Well, we're heading out because I got a lead on a 1963 Jetfire, like the one I got in Virginia. The one I got in Virginia is a little rough. This one's supposed to be an excellent parts car, one of a few that's left. So keeping my fingers crossed and hoping for the best on this one.
But one look at her, she's oh so fine. I know I've got to make her mine. She's just my kind, can't get her off my mind. She's my kind of woman, I need a soul. Yeah, my kind of woman, I can't let her go.
Hello,
How's it going?
Charles.
Darren? I'm Charles.
Darren Cheney.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Is this little old car?
That's it there. You can come over here and take a gander at it. The car's pretty much complete. Like I said, no drivetrain. I do have this chrome piece in
the side?
Inside there because it fell off.
All right. You mind if I open it up though and look it over?
Huh?
You mind if I open it up?
No, go ahead.
Probably gonna have to. Let me see. There we go. Just right to it.
Come on. Yeah.
I think that ought to get it there.
There we go.
Oh, it's still got the bottle holder.
Yeah.
For the rocket fuel.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bottle
no.
holder on it. The exhaust is still under it. They said
steering box, everything. It's just had the motor and transmission pulled
and
out.
I'm sure they probably scrapped the radiator or something. I don't know.
Just leave that open.
Yeah.
Let me just get a gander at it over here.
I said it's really on the body. It's just a little rust spot on that fender and the bottom of that one.
Factory color, you figures that dark red?
Yeah.
I think they call it crimson red, but I have
Yeah.
to look it up. 1963. You know, this is only the second Jetfire I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, this was the first one that I seen, and then I got on, Googling about it and stuff. And
when you was running that ad, did anybody that called you know what it was?
A few people did, yeah.
Did they?
I had one customer message me. He was wanting to buy the seats out of it.
You said
no, I ain't going to part it out. Either the whole thing, or I'd hang on to it. I originally was going to put a 350 that come out of that Eco Mod there.
All right.
In it, and
you was going to put the motor out of this race car?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
And that's going to make me a little hot rod out of it, but
is all the
because of the interior is all here.
Let's open up this.
That door is tied shut because the latch ain't latching on it. But the interior is all there. It's even got the turbo gauge still in it.
Dang, the door panels are even good.
Yeah. The seats and everything, it all needs redone, but it's all there to redo it.
Floor pans, what do you think of them?
The back floor pans ain't rusted through.
That floor pan's solid.
Yeah, and then the front ones, like I said, it's got some patching to do on it.
I'm gonna undo this door here.
Yeah. Even got the dome light laying in the seat there. It goes to it.
It sure does.
The windows do roll up and down.
The one I've got, it only goes up about 3/4 of the way.
Oh, yeah.
I hadn't taken it apart even to see. Oh, that door opens and shuts fine.
Yeah.
Still got the mirror on it.
On it.
That's the inside mirror that was laying in there behind the seat.
Yeah.
Awesome.
The rear view.
Yeah, the rear view mirror.
But it's off.
Is this the only dent in it?
That's the only dent in it that I've seen. I think it had one little dent.
Right there.
Up on the top somewhere, I was thinking here.
Right there, right there.
Yeah.
That ain't bad.
Yeah.
Man, this body is so nice. You had never opened the turtle hole, have you?
No.
I can get in from the trunk.
That's why I figured from the back seat and get in there. So if there's any dead bodies in there or anything, don't let me know.
So tell me this, you think the hubcaps may be in there? Did they ever say?
It's possible.
I hope they are. I sure hope they are. There's that rear view mirror right there.
Yep.
The wipers, the radio antenna.
There's the antenna.
Let me see that antenna. I just want to see if it's the right antenna that bolts on. Looky there. That is it.
Yeah.
100% sure that's it.
The door panel's in pretty decent shape.
All right, now comes the good part. How much are you asking for it?
And I'd like to get it 3,000. I think it's well worth that.
Because of the rarity and all.
I know being rare don't necessarily make it worth a lot.
If it had the motor and transmission, I wouldn't even try to negotiate with you.
Yeah, well, if it had the motor and transmission, I'd want more money.
That's awesome. $1,500. What are you thinking?
I don't know. You buy it today, give me 25.
Tell you what, since it had the rust in the floorboards, and I might have a little trouble getting the title, and I got to put air in the tires.
Get the air in the
I'll
tires.
give you $2 grand. $2 grand today. $100 bills, man.
Cash money,
Come
huh?
on, man. Shake on it.
You got yourself a deal.
Thank you so much.
I'd rather somebody, like I said, I've got many projects going on. I'm going to take that eco motor, put in that S10 there. But I got a 39 Dodge Coupe down there that I'm doing. I got a 29 Ford Model A that
You
runs
got
the
plenty
drives.
to work on.
The Model A runs the drives.
I'll keep you abreast of this car.
Yeah.
Show you that other one.
Please.
That other car, it has some rust on that front hood from being up in Virginia.
Right.
And it don't even have the Jetfire on it, or that piece of chrome that you got with this one. I didn't know where I was going to get it, but now I've got this complete car, and this is only the second one in my life I've ever seen. Have you ever seen one before this one?
No, this was the first one that I seen.
So
I thought it was just cool. I said, yeah, it almost looked like an old Impala or something, you know, when I first glanced up on the ad when the guy had it. And I went over and looked at it and got it from him. Well, I traded a car hauler trailer for it.
For it? Okay.
What I done.
Okay.
So, I mean, so it was a good deal for me. As you can see, I'm not trailer poor. We have a lot of trailers.
You've got 5 trailers right over there.
Yeah, plus I got 2 at my house.
When I first seen these cars, I thought it kind of looked like a Chevelle, a 65 Chevelle.
Yeah, sort of on the front ends and stuff. And that's what I said, Oldsmobile. I said, so the dude that I got it from, he told me, man, Google Jetfire and see what you find out.
Did you Google it?
I Googled it, and sure enough, man, 62 and 63 is the only years they made them.
Only years. In 63, you know how many's registered in the United States in 63, for 63 year model? 12.
12.
I've got the 13th one that's got all the drivetrain. This one won't ever get registered, most likely, unless I put a different motor in it, because I do love the body style, but I think I'm most likely going to use it for my other car.
Use it for parts.
Use it for the parts.
Yeah, because you got titles to the other one, right?
Yeah, I got that title.
Yeah.
And that's worth how much, you know?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to go in here and see if I can get a little money.
All right.
And I'll be right back.
Okay, no problem.
Charles,
front.
it's a gorgeous day, if nothing else.
Yeah.
But here's something that's even prettier.
Well, like them cash.
All like cash, and that's why the way the world turns.
Yeah.
One. I gotta turn them straight. I'm kind of OCD. 2, 3, 18, 19, and 2.
All right. You are now a proud owner.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna air up some tires and see what we can get this trailer pulled around.
Okay, no problem.
All
Sounds
right.
good to me.
I'll be right back.
You got an air tank?
Yeah, I got one right here in the truck.
I was gonna say, if not, I got one.
And they're little bitty, they ain't taking up much air. Golly, I'm so lucky. This son of a gun had air in all the tires when you got it here, didn't it?
Yeah.
Because it's holding air too good. Air tank's getting low, but I think it's gonna do it. That's it. Throw this in the trailer. Tell we've raced cars a long time.
Yeah.
Well, Charles,
Good to go.
that's good to go, man. I thank
we
you a million.
appreciate it, man.
I'm
No
gonna-
problem. Send me some
Some pictures.
pictures.
I'll keep
Of
you
the
updated.
progress, yeah.
And of the other car
Yeah.
too, okay?
All right.
I'll show you the motor and all.
All right.
Thanks a million.
That'll work. Okay, thanks again, man.
You too. All right, bye-bye.